She's strong, she's beautiful, and she's fighting cancer. She's also helping to promote a beauty campaign for those suffering from the side effects of chemotherapy. You see, when life deals you lemons, well, you make lemonade and help others. That's how Samoan Annie Wynne sees life.
Oh wow, you're going to have...
Diagnosed with breast cancer last November, the 36-year-old underwent a right mastectomy and has just come out of 6 months of chemotherapy.
It's been extremely hard, especially the very first cycle. They give you quite a high dosage, so that knocked me around quite a lot and I ended up back in hospital. So they lowered my dosage, and then after that it wasn't smooth sailing, but it was a lot more easier to manage.
But the side effects and the dramatic changes in Annie's appearance were at times overwhelming.
When the day came when I was in the toilet, just stroking my hair, and then, it was just clumps of hair, and then I'm sitting in the bathroom, bawling my eyes out.
It was the wise advice from her mother, cancer survivor Savai, that led Annie to the program.
My mum went to it 14 years ago, and she didn't know what it was called, but she was like, oh, when you're going through treatment, there's this place where you go and you can get your makeup done and you feel good.
When my daughter came home crying to me, got a lump, I hugged her and I said, if I can survive through all those things, you can survive. Come and sit down and have a good talk. So Annie is strong. She's my baby.
Like a champ, Annie worked right through her chemo as well as attending the workshop.
You're sitting at a table with all these other ladies going through the same struggles as you with cancer. You get your own little pack of makeup. It's all about the makeup, but I think it's bigger than that. With Look Good, Feel Better, they boosted my confidence, and those volunteers in that class, they do amazing work, and they do that just, out of the goodness of their heart.
Forever grateful, her family sees the confidence change in Annie.
I remember the day she went to that, she came back after and she was absolutely buzzing, and she had her beanie off and she was rocking the no hair look and everything, and she was so proud and so happy, and she just couldn't stop talking about what she'd what she'd been through that workshop and what she'd shared with the other ladies there. So yeah, it was definitely a good thing for her.
The Look Good, Feel Better charity has been running in New Zealand since the early 90s, and thanks to farmers, this month, if you come in, you can buy little compacts like this to be your own kind of beautiful. Not only that, for only $5, you can get a mini makeover.
We've been doing our really best in asking each and every customer, explaining what it is for, and all the money goes to the donation.
And for now, Annie is putting on a brave face and being her own kind of beautiful.